Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password in just few seconds, right? It's very easy to do it. First of all, you have to make sure it's an Android phone, and if it is an Android then it's great, but you can just follow this instruction over your iOS phone too. First of all, you have to just open your Gmail. Once you open your Gmail, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. Once you add on it, you will get this option of Google account. So just open your Google account, and here just wait for a few seconds till it get load. Now here you have to search for password manager, right? For example, here password manager. So just open your password manager here and just wait for a few seconds, and here your WhatsApp or whatever the password could be saved. For example, you can see that if it is an Instagram, then of course if it is saved, then you will able to see in this format. Your email or username will be added there and the password, right? So this helped you only if you have saved your password over your phone or over your email address, then only it's going to work. Otherwise there is no way where you can see your Instagram password over your phone. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.